is the message you have for the 9th of August 2024? Thank you for blessing this reading. What is the message you have for the 9th of August 2024? Thank you for blessing this reading. Wow! Ace of Cups. Someone is getting a lot of love. New love, new wonderful reading. What is the message you have for the 9th of August 2024? Thank you for blessing this reading. What is the message? Thank you. Right. Worry. Okay. So, the overall energy is the Ace of Swords. What you don't see coming as an energy is the Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords is usually laser sharp focus or clarity. It comes with a certain amount of sacrifice. So for a lot of you, you might be very the underarching energy would be that of an Ace of Sword, which is nothing but having the focus and the clarity as to what you want to do next or what you want the day to go by, or the simple intricacies of things such as your priorities would be very much set for the day, right? Now for the main reading, for the 9th of August 2024, the message is Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is an overflowing chalice of love. This is love which you receive from the universe, and it basically is a harmonious and a loving, accepting and blooming kind of a thing. A lot of you might be having some sort of self-love or um, self-love activities, or sort of just having a good kind day with your own self, talking nicely to yourself, even if that is an expression of love for some of you. Some of you might be just pampering yourself, um, or sort of understanding and falling a little bit more in love with yourself. In addition to that, some of you might be having an individual, um, especially in love, for those of you who want love in your life, would be having someone who has such kind of interest towards you, or proceeding towards making an offer. Or else, if you're already in a happy relationship, then it is going to be fully filled with love and acceptance and appreciation for each other, and it's going to be a very blossoming and a very fostering day, right? The message from the universe is that of worry. I am learning that worry doesn't change an outcome. And the underarching message is indecision. I use my intuition in all aspects of my life. Now, if you're someone who watches my daily readings, then for the majority of you, the reiteration is to follow our intuition throughout this week, and understand that we are on the right track as long as we are following our intuition, which leads to the happiness of our heart, right? So worry is not going to change our circumstances, but only if we operate from a space of contentment and happiness and peace, and have the trust in the universe and ourselves that whatever we are going through, we are going to be all right at the end of the day. So best would be to have a positive outlook, and that's what universe is calling you out to do. That I am learning that worry doesn't change an outcome. So throughout the day, please try to re-emphasize on this message which the universe has for you, and please bear in mind that all the souls watching this video are blessed by the blessed and loved by the universe. Thank you for watching this video.